In this video, we will explain the differences among confidence level, confidence interval, and significance level. Before seeing the differences, let's do a quick recap of the concept of population versus sample and hypothesis testing. Because confidence level, confidence interval, all those things are related to the concept of population versus sample and hypothesis testing. Population versus sample involves studying a sample data to draw inferences about the population. Because in real life scenario, it may not be possible to study the entire population's data. It could be due to time, it could be due to cost, it could be due to resource or any other constraints. So normally we will study a sample data so that an inference about the population can be made. I study the average height of these four people to draw an inference of the average height of the entire set of people here. So this is sample and this is the population, right? So I study the sample to draw inferences about the population. Whatever inferences I make about the sample, is it applicable for the entire population? That question is answered by hypothesis testing. So I draw two hypotheses. One is known as alternate hypothesis and the other one is known as the null hypothesis. Alternate hypothesis involves what we are trying to prove. Null hypothesis is the opposite of that. In this case, I apply fertilizer to the plant. So what I'm trying to see is whether application of plant really increases the size of the plant, right, or the plant growth. So what I'm trying to prove is application of fertilizer increases plant growth, and the opposite of that, that is your H naught, is application of fertilizer does not increase plant growth, right? Are you understanding this? Now let's see the three terms about which I talked, right? So I'm evaluating the two hypotheses. I have collected the data. Okay. If my p-value is less than 0.05, we reject H naught, right? If my p-value is less than 0.05, we reject H naught. So what is this p-value? This p-value of 0.05 or 5% is the significance level or an accepted error level, right? So this 5% stated as 0.05 is your accepted error term. Okay. Then 1 minus 0.05, which is nothing but 0.95 or 95%, is the confidence level, right? This is the accepted error rate in drawing conclusions about the population based on the sample, right? The other term is what? Confidence interval. Let's say, for example, application of fertilizer has resulted in the increase in plant size of, let's say, 10 centimeter increase. Okay, I applied fertilizers every day and my plant has grown by 10 centimeters after 1 month. Okay, I will state that 10 centimeter as a range, right? 10 centimeter plus or minus 2 centimeter. That is how much I expect the plant growth to be, the increase in plant height to be. So I state it as a range. I expect it to be 10 centimeters, but plus or minus 2% or plus or minus 2 centimeters is the real possibility. So I am stating it as a range, right? 10 centimeter plus or minus 2 centimeter is what? 8 centimeter to 12 centimeter. So I expect the plant growth to occur anywhere between 8 centimeter to 12 centimeter, right? So confidence interval is really the range of confidence. So please understand that. I expect the plant growth to happen for 10 centimeter. That is, I expect the plant to grow by 10 centimeters. In that, I expect a plus or minus 2 centimeter range. So that is my confidence interval, right? How confident am I that the plant growth will occur in the confidence interval? That is 95%. Please note that. Again, go back to the plant growth example. My confidence interval is what? 8 centimeter to 12 centimeter. Because I said I expect the plant growth to be at 10 centimeter plus or minus 2 centimeter, right? So my range is 8 to 12 centimeter. How confident I am that the plant growth will occur between 8 to 12? I am stating at 95%. Are you getting it? Typically, confidence level is 95% or 99% or 90%. These are the three levels that are normally used. Of course, you can use 80% confidence level. No one is stopping you, right? Many of the tables that are needed to compute statistics like the t-test statistics, ANOVA statistic and all is normally available for 90, 95% and 99%, right? So please keep this in mind. I hope you are now clear about the differences among these three terms. Okay, so let me explain this one more. So this 95% confidence level, 5% is the error rate. That means the 5% will fall either here or here, right? Are you getting it? So I expect my value of the plant growth to occur in this 95% distribution. Please note this. See, let's say I have plotted the plant growth, okay, and I have created a distribution. The expected increase in plant growth, that number will fall in this 95% values, right? The unexpected will fall either in this 2.5 or 2.5. Why am I saying 2.5% or 2.5%? Because 2.5 into 2 is what? 5%. That is my significance level. Clear? I hope you all understand the differences among significance level, confidence level, and confidence interval.